Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. Start by opening Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications. Then select Notifications here, scroll down and tap on See All for the last 7 days. After that, select Most Recent over here and tap on one of those options: Most Recent, Most Frequent or Turned Off. I will go with Most Frequent, so now I can select one of my apps like Gmail and tap on the switcher next to it. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now off. In order to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!